Russia needed a new fighter jet. They wanted something special, something that could beat any other plane in the sky. That's when they started working on the Su-57. This was back in the early 2000s. They wanted a jet that was super stealthy, a jet that could hide from radar. They also wanted it to be incredibly fast and maneuverable. It took years and years of designing and testing. The first prototype finally took to the skies in 2010. It was a sight to behold. It was clear that this was no ordinary aircraft. This was a machine built for war, a true apex predator of the air. This new jet was called the Su-57. It was designed to be the most advanced fighter jet in the world. It represented the next generation of Russian air power. The Su-57 was a statement to the world. Russia was here to stay, and they meant business. The Su-57 is a symbol of Russia's technological prowess. It shows that they can compete with the best of the best. The Su-57 is a force to be reckoned with. The Su-57 is covered in special materials. These materials absorb radar waves. This makes it very difficult for enemies to detect the Su-57 on radar. It's like a ghost in the sky. But stealth is only half the story. The Su-57 has a super advanced radar system of its own. It can see enemy aircraft from miles away. It even has infrared sensors. These sensors allow the Su-57 to see the heat signatures of enemy aircraft. This means it can even spot stealthy aircraft. The Su-57 is also fitted with electronic warfare systems. These systems can jam enemy radars and missiles. The Su-57 is not just a hunter, it is also a master of deception. It can outsmart its enemies in the electronic realm. With its combination of stealth and sensors, the Su-57 is a nightmare for enemy pilots. It can appear out of nowhere, deliver its payload, and disappear just as quickly. The Su-57 is a true game changer in the world of air combat. The Su-57 has two powerful engines. These engines allow it to fly at over twice the speed of sound. That's incredibly fast. But speed is nothing without control. The Su-57 is incredibly agile. It can turn on a dime. It can even fly backwards for a short time. This makes it very difficult for enemy aircraft to get a lock on the Su-57. It can dodge and weave through the air with ease. The Su-57 can carry a variety of weapons. It has a cannon for close-range engagements. It can also carry missiles that can hit targets from miles away. This makes the Su-57 a versatile and deadly opponent. It can engage enemies at any range. The combination of power and agility makes the Su-57 a fearsome opponent. It can outrun and outmaneuver almost anything in the sky. The Su-57 is a true testament to Russian engineering. The sun is barely peeking over the horizon. Our pilot, callsign Volk, is preparing for a simulated combat mission. He's sitting in the cockpit of his Su-57. Adrenaline is pumping. This is a training exercise, but it feels just like the real thing. The mission briefing was intense. Volk and his wingman are up against a formidable foe. They are facing off against simulated F-35s, some of the most advanced jets in the world. The objective is simple: achieve air superiority. Volk runs through the mission parameters one last time. He checks his weapon systems. He makes sure his sensors are online. Everything is in the green. He's ready to fly. With a deafening roar, Volk's Su-57 blasts off the runway. He climbs rapidly into the sky. The fate of the simulated battle rests on his shoulders. He knows the stakes are high. Section 5, Facing the Enemy. First contact and evasion. Volk's radar screen lights up. He sees multiple contacts approaching. They are still miles away, but they are closing fast. The simulated F-35s are trying to surprise them, but Volk is ready. He orders his wingman to engage their electronic countermeasures. They need to make it harder for the enemy to track them. They weave through the clouds, trying to break the enemy's radar lock. Suddenly, a missile streaks past Volk's cockpit. It was a close call. They are in range. It's time to turn and fight. Volk pushes his Su-57 to its limits. He needs to outmaneuver the enemy missiles. The combat simulation is getting heated. Volk knows that every decision he makes could mean the difference between virtual life and virtual death. He needs to stay one step ahead of the enemy. Section 6, Dogfight. The Su-57's maneuvering prowess. Volk throws his Su-57 into a tight turn. He can see an F-35 on his tail. The enemy pilot is good, but Volk is better. He uses the Su-57's incredible agility to his advantage. He flips his aircraft upside down and gets right on the F-35's tail. Volk squeezes the trigger, his cannon roars, the simulated F-35 explodes in a ball of fire. It's one down, but more to go. The sky is filled with the whine of jet engines and the chatter of simulated weapons fire. It's a ballet of death, and Volk is leading the dance. He's in his element. Volk knows that he can't let up for a second. The simulated F-35s are still out there, they are still a threat. He needs to stay vigilant and use every trick in the book to defeat them. Section 7, Missile Mayhem, engaging beyond visual range. Volk knows he can't win this fight in a close-range dogfight. He needs to use his long-range missiles. He gets a lock on another F-35. He fires a missile. It streaks across the sky. It's a direct hit. He targets another enemy aircraft. This time it's further away, but Volk is confident in his weapon systems. He fires another missile. The missile tracks its target flawlessly. It explodes in a blinding flash. The simulated battle is going Volk's way. He's taken out several enemy aircraft. He's proving the Su-57's worth, but he knows it's not over yet. Volk needs to stay focused. He knows that the enemy will be analyzing his tactics. They will be adapting to his every move. He needs to stay one step ahead of them. Section 8. Mission Success. Returning to base. The simulated battle is over. Volk has emerged victorious. He shot down all the enemy aircraft without taking a single hit himself. He's proven that the Su-57 is a force to be reckoned with. He returns to base, exhausted but exhilarated. The adrenaline is still coursing through his veins. He knows that this was just a simulation, but it felt so real. Volk steps out of the cockpit. He's greeted by the cheers of his fellow pilots. They are impressed by his skills. They know that he's one of the best. Volk is proud of himself. He knows that he's done his country proud. He's shown the world what the Su-57 is capable of. It's a truly remarkable aircraft. Section 9. The Future of Air Power. The Su-57's Enduring Legacy. The Su-57 is a game-changer. It's a symbol of Russia's resurgent military power. It's a jet that will be feared by its enemies for years to come. The Su-57 is here to stay. This jet is constantly being upgraded with new technologies. It will only get more and more advanced as time goes on. The Su-57 is a testament to the ingenuity of Russian engineers. It's a jet that represents the future of air combat. It's a jet that will shape the skies for decades to come. The Su-57 is a legend in the making. The Su-57 is more than just a fighter jet. It's a symbol of national pride. It's a symbol of Russia's determination to defend its interests. The Su-57 is a powerful reminder that Russia is a force to be reckoned with.